Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2013 13 plate Honda CR-V SE. Now this is a nice car, you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. So all the bodywork seems to be in very nice order, the paintwork's in nice condition as well. It's finished in this fantastic silver metallic paintwork, which is a very nice, easy colour to maintain, very nice and easy to look after. But it's a nice car, fantastic specification. So we've got LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, you've got lower fog lamps to the bottom there, alloy wheels, we're riding on nice 17-inch 5 twin spokes, also finished in a lovely sparkle silver, and they're riding on nice tyres. We've got mud flaps all around, we've got bright silver window surrounds. Coming through then to the back, you've got your rear parking sensors, we've got a reversing camera as well. Looking through to the actual boot space in the rear, you've got a massive luggage area, so nice and wide, stretches all the way back. You've got the split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Parcel shelf is present. We've got the folding seats, so the latches are very nice and easy to operate. 12-volt power outlet. And then down here you'll find a Space Saver spur wheel with the kit to change it. That's a brand new Space Saver spur, never been used. But again, bodywork wise, all the lower plastics, they're in nice order, so you can tell it's never sort of clipped anything. And then coming through to the interior, inside is a black and charcoal cloth sport seat. So looking at the driver's seat, obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear over time. That is in nice order throughout. You've got all the adjustments there. We've got the original tailored floor mats. This vehicle is supplied with both keys. Onto the door card then, we've got the same trim following through. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. Coming through quickly to the back, you've got 3 seat belts to the bottom there, so comfortable seating for 3. This armrest comes down and then you've got storage there for cups. Rear power outlet, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. Original rear floor mat is there. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. And then jumping into the cockpit, we'll close the door, we'll close the window. A little bit chilly outside today. So, once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So, on here, you've got your onboard computer, obviously all your volume and media controls, cruise control and speed limiter. You've got your Bluetooth phone voice command, which is there as well. Econ, which is your eco mode. You can switch your parking sensors on and off. Obviously your traction control. Automatic wipers on this one, as well as your automatic lights. So basically does everything for you. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 56,232 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And then coming through to the center display, you get the nice screen in the back there. So you've got your telephone which pops up on there, you've got your FM radio, obviously aux, CD, that's all found up on there. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. We've got another power outlet, automatic stop start, room for your cups, and then central armrest as well. Within there you'll find a USB for phone charging, an aux and another 12-volt power outlet. But it's a very nice car. So inside, it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. I recommend having a flick through all the photographs. We've got all the original documentation with the vehicle, which was supplied with the car when it was new. So all the service history is photographed, and also all the mileages are written on our advert. So you'll be able to see that it's got a fantastic service history with it. I've had the pleasure of driving this car myself, and I can tell you it drives absolutely spot on. All of these Hondas do. Obviously very reliable cars. This is the 2.2 litre, so quite economical, quite punchy. I think they're around 150 brake horsepower, but they're an absolute pleasure to drive. So if you'd like anything further on the car, if you'd like some finance quotes, if you like a part exchange price, or you'd just like to book in for a viewing, please do get in touch. You can reach us on 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. A lot of our customers travel the distance, so for peace of mind, please go onto our Auto Trader, have a look at our reviews. We are a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers, and we do sell all around the country and even abroad. So thank you for watching the video. Anything further, there's myself, Dominic, there's my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.